Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling developer options and confirming a backup. This prevents data loss when changing system settings. Once done, disable the MIUI recommendation switches that push ads because they trigger system-level suggestions. Make sure you have stable Wi-Fi and at least half battery so updates and restarts complete. This avoids interrupted configuration. Now go to Settings and immediately open additional settings to continue. These first moves stop many ads early and prepare the phone for deeper changes. You now target the ad sources inside MIUI. First, disable personalized ad recommendations in privacy. This stops targeted push content. Then open the security app, tap Settings, and switch off recommendations and promotions so built-in apps stop surfacing ads. For deeper control, go App Settings for system apps, clear cache, and revoke notification and internet permissions where possible. Apps without show notifications can't deliver ad cards. Once you finish these steps, the bulk of MIUI origin ads will be suppressed. You finish by choosing a blocking method. If rooted, install a host's file blocker. If not, set private DNS to an ad blocking provider to stop domain calls. Disable MSA and other ad services, get apps, contacts provider prompts by forcing stop and denying auto start. Reboot and monitor. If ads persist, reset app preferences or, as a last resort, factory reset after backing up. If something breaks, restore the backup and undo the last change. That troubleshooting loop recovers the device safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.